Hello, welcome, and tonight we have a Neiman Marcus unboxing. I'm not gonna try the product tonight. I'm gonna make another video. For my first impression of the product inside this little box. So far, I love how Sackfit Avenue pack their customer orders. Let's see Neiman Marcus, and you tell me which one you think is better. I'm happy that my product came in good condition. Oh wow. Oh wow. I've been wanting to buy this Harmonist Moon Glory perfume. It's like limited quantities are made, and I wanted to buy it before they're gone, because when they're gone you have to wait until they make them again. So this was still available, but I think it's gonna be out of stock soon. And this is a perfume. It's called Moon Glory. So there is two perfumes that they only make seasonal, and it's Moon Glory and Sun Force. I'm going to order Sun Force probably next year, because I already ordered Moon Glory this year. And these perfumes, I cannot find them discounted places, so I have to order from Neiman Marcus or from their website. And this is a beautiful perfume. They gave me a sample at Neiman Marcus, and I decided to order when they sent me a coupon. So, and before they were out of stock, I decided to order it because I want to make a review of this perfume. I'm not gonna make the review of this perfume tonight or today. I'm gonna make it in another occasion. I'm going to unbox it and give you all the details. I already tried it, and they sent me a sample, another sample. These are the notes of this perfume. It's jasmine, Ylang-ylang, Lychee, Queen of the Night, Passionflower, organic honey, hinoki wood, Peru balsam, and sandalwood. I'm so happy that I finally got my Moon Glory perfume. Well, that's it for this video. I'm happy my perfume came in good condition. Well, thank you for joining me tonight unboxing my Neiman Marcus order, my Moon Glory from the Harmonist. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe so you don't miss my full review of the Harmonist Moon Glory Parfum. See you next time. Bye.